So how do you edit the access point on your Android? Let's get started. So what we mean by the access point is basically sharing the internet with others. So if you want to change the settings of that, open up the main settings app of your phone and then navigate to the connections. Inside of the connections, you can find mobile hotspot and a tethering option. Upon clicking on it, you can see more things popping up, including the mobile hotspot and Bluetooth tethering and some other things. What you can do now is to click on mobile hotspot, and you don't just click on the toggle, but click on the actual menu, and another thing like another page will show up. Inside in there, you can manage the data usage, but most definitely the settings, right? So you can change the name of the Wi-Fi network and of your phone and the way it will appear in other people's devices and Wi-Fi settings. That's very useful. You can also change and tweak the password. So that's one of the most important things, of course. And then we have the band and compatibility. So obviously, if you want to make it as compatible as possible with as many devices, then just keep the slider towards the left. If you want to focus on the performance and not care that much about compatibility, then slide it towards the right. So up to you. And below we have one more option for security. So usually the WPA2 personal is the security that you want to go with, but you have some other options if you know what you're doing. Obviously, keeping it open is without a password, so that might be something you are interested in as well. Yeah, so you can change it all in here. Just don't forget to click on a save before leaving this menu to ensure everything is set up properly. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you later in the future videos.